Hello everybody, it's Sonia Hortzak here from Get Stamping with Sonia. I have a video here showing you what's inside the paper pumpkin kit. It was a one-off special edition, available to all markets where Stampin' Up! Is active, whereas usually it's only available in the US and some parts of Canada. We still have some available, so I thought I'd give you a sneak peek. I only just got it. And it is gorgeous. So if you can still get your hands on it, let me know if you still want it and go and get it. So you get a beautiful box. Open it up. It's just like opening a present. So inside's a beautiful stamp set. Some swallows, feather, beautiful sentiments, grateful, hello, thank you, hugs, dear friend for you, and love, and an and sign. You'll be getting 12 card bases, 3 of each, different designs. Some lovely little flowers. Fold them and you're all ready to go. This is a more grunchy one. Kind of a blue splatters over some newsprint. The beautiful bird's nest. I shall turn it around. Lovely. And this beautiful duck egg blue. You also get some envelopes. 4 different designs as well. The feather, the flowers, some blue flowers, pink flowers with the nest in it. Really cute. And don't forget, lovely little detail on the inside. You get a tiny little stamping spot in early espresso. It's a dark brown color, coffee obviously. You get labels to stamp your sentiments on. Get some flowers to decorate. Some lovely die cut feathers. Lots and lots and lots of velvet ribbon. 2 rolls of twine. These really cute bird for these bird embellishments. Can you see them? Of course, lots of dimensionals and blue dots. And you get instructions to see what you can do with it. You can make cards according to the instructions. There you go. Or you can make your own, of course. And if you're thinking, I want to do more in the same style, this kit coordinates with the Bird Ballad Suite in the new catalogue that's coming out in June. And you'll get one of the stamps is this beautiful, these 4 birds on a branch, and the paper is absolutely gorgeous. Lovely new ribbon as well. And I just wanted to say it's available in English and German and French. So if you're still interested, give me a quick shout and see if it's still there. All right, thanks for watching.